head is swimming. I almost need a reminder of how we got here.
Okay, fine, but this is the last time.
Previously on Night Court. Haven't seen you around here, which is a good thing, because it means you're a criminal.
Get ready to see a little bit more of me tomorrow.
Tomorrow I have this stupid sensitivity and respect in the workplace seminar.
I'm running it.
Consent to ravage you?
Consent given.
We are nowhere near meeting parents.
Parent. I've never met my biological father. This is my mom.
So is this your first time in New York?
No, I lived here in the 80s. Before I had Jake, I actually dated a lawyer who worked in this courthouse.
I like how you did it in 4 to 6 digestible bites.
So you swear you haven't told anyone about this?
I can keep a secret. For instance, I haven't told anyone Wyatt hooked up with that scary security guard. And that happened right in this room, on surfaces that you eat off of.
Get it, table. It has to be handled with the utmost care. I can't just come out and say, Jake, Dan's your dad.
Dan is my dad?
I saw him there, but you were on a roll.
Not how I wanted you to find out, but maybe this is better. Now together we can find the perfect way to tell Dan you're his surprise son.
Jake's my surprise son?
Starting now, everyone wears tap shoes. I know this is shocking, but let's focus on the positive. Jake, Dan could be the father figure you've always dreamed of.
Oh, whoa. Now I gotta live up to some kid's dreams?
In my dreams, you showed up 30 years ago in an Acura Legend and took me to play skee ball.
I wouldn't be caught dead in a legend.
Okay, so now we know that's not the way to tell them.
This is a very poor way to break this news to us.
If you had delivered the information better, we could be a family right now.
So upset. I'm gonna take it out on these priceless Fabergé eggs.
Wait a minute. I only have Fabergé eggs in my dreams.
I guess that means this is a dream. It would explain how I'm pregnant with our future president.
Mr. Jasper, we all love Baskin-Robbins' free sample policy, but it's understood the samples go in your mouth, not your pants. I'll let you off with a warning.
Oh, so close. I really thought I had it that time. But I swear you will never beat me again. Because this is my last case as prosecutor.
What? No, Mari, you can't leave. I never thought it was possible I could win this much, and I have a very high opinion of myself.
Take a breath.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!